What's going on, man? We back with another video on this machine, man. My stuff is in the elements, man. So this machine sees 100 degrees and it sees 30, 20 degrees. So now I'm having issues with my plastics that's on the machine. Limit switch broke. Had to call tech support again. I'm like, hey, I'm getting aborts when I'm initializing machine. I say, try this. And when I went and tried to look at this limit switch, it was sitting sideways. Y'all see how this is just upright and everything is intact. This one was sideways. And I'm guessing in the 2 years they've been out here that plastic's starting to get weak or something. So I'm finna ride out there and go get a limit switch. I just paid for it. Yeah, crazy thing is I was having some issues like this with my laser also. My top came off multiple times. And I'm like, man, if I could just have a nice controlled environment, I probably have no issues. But we about to go take this drive, man. Hour and like 15 minutes. Get us a new switch so we can run these programs while I sit in the house and design. But yeah, and I gotta do other stuff like go to school and follow up on stuff like that too. So, and I gotta edit some videos, and I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. It's Monday, trying to start it off, man. Got stuff to do. Back at the machine. So we got our new limit switch. Drove an hour.
It was a smooth drive though, not a lot of traffic.
HOV lane all the way here. Put this new switch on and hope that it'll be alright for a good minute. Got like two issues in like 3 months. I'm waiting on a follow-up from my motor that I got warrantied out. Haven't heard nothing back, but I need my motor. Every part to the machine on standby at all times, because if it ever go down like it do, something happen, I gotta drop everything, get it back up, so the money maker thing go down. But yeah, take this drive back to the house. I'll wait, let's get it. Shorty getting abused. I'm finna fix it though. Can't have the money maker down. Man. Hey, finally initializing, so that's fixed. Crazy. Look, a $70 switch. Mess this thing up. That green's it's gonna be blue. I mean, it's gonna say completed. That's how you know it's working. Again. Boom. That's fixed. Finally. The damn sewing machine start clattering, getting that together.
The next day.
What's going on? It's the next day. I used it yesterday, resurfaced it, but the switch is real easy to fix. It's yeah, it wasn't initialized and then it wasn't going forward because the switch broke. So you got a 14 that tighten it up, and then screws and nuts bolt, which was like hand tight with a slip nut. I kind of tightened it. Yeah, back in action. Like I say, my stuff be out in the elements, so I'm sure little stuff like that is gonna happen with plastics. Y'all video real quick, back up. Knock this file out first.